is Janet from Try It, Like It, Create It. And today I picked up this Wink of Stella brush, and it was the clear version. And you can see the sticker right here. It says clear, transparent, and it has like a pearlescentness to it. From what I understand, there's a little bit of a learning curve working with this. So I'm going to open it up and give you a demo on what needs to be done to make it work. To let you know, I checked prices on Amazon and as well as at Michael's, and I used my Michael's coupon for 40% off and got this below $6, and it's over $6 on Amazon. Excuse me. So the first thing to do is when you open the brush, it has this black ring on here, and you take the cap off, it snaps on and off, and then you've got this brush chamber here, and you want to take that off, and then you want to take the black ring off the pen, and then put the brush back in, and then the mechanism inside connects, and that's how it floods the brush with ink. Then also to show you here, on here it's a raised lettering, but I don't know if you can see it. It says push. So let me see if I can get it to focus on that. So what you want to do is to push that a few times to prime the brush with ink. And so there you can see the ink with the glitter is starting to come down. Oops, there, let me move over a little bit. You can see the ink starting to come down into the brush. Okay, so we've had some come out. Now, the other thing I understand is that you want to put the lid on and give it a good shake. And that's so the first stroke that you use isn't totally filled with the glitter. So after you've done that, it is ready to go. So here's the brush loaded, and I am just going to work on these flowers and give the centers a little bit of glitter. Hopefully, I'll bring that up to the camera in just a minute. So just to show you, let me move it a little bit. Maybe you can see the difference there between those that have it and those that do not. So there. And those are wet. They need to dry a bit. But it will just add a real subtle little shine to the space that you use your pen.